House in Kawajiri by Daisaku Hanamoto Architect and Associates in Hiroshima, Japan. This is a renovation project for an old house in a small town. Before the renovation, there was a reinforced concrete building facing the street, and the approach to the main building was through a narrow gap. As a result, the light did not reach the main house and the ventilation was poor. The owner requested a degree of freedom that could be used as a villa, a final residence, a cafe, or a rental space. We suggested 3 things. The reinforced concrete building and part of the main building will be dismantled to create a new earthen floor space that spans the width of the building. Remove unnecessary walls from past renovations and make the plan simple. It means removing part of the ceiling to create a vertical spread. The pocket space created in front of the main house by the reduction creates a well-ventilated external environment, and at the same time serves as a space for parking and events. It acts as a buffer zone where you can spend your time quietly. By removing the wall, the space has expanded horizontally and accepts various ways of living and usage. In addition, the newly created atrium casts a soft light into the hall through the existing attic window, and when you look up, you can feel the history of the house with the rough structural materials and walls. In addition, it brings a moderate 3-dimensional sense of openness to the hall. Instead of contrasting the new and old parts, we wanted to create a spacious house where each part can become a part of the newly created whole and spend time freely.